Yeah, boy. It's about to be epic, man. Parmesan on the inside. A little cherry wood smoked bacon with a little pepper. Man, stop falling up behind these jokers doing the same thing every day, man. First started doing barbecue 15 years ago, professionally. This is what I had. If you don't know about pecan shells, you better get in the know, baby. I got a bag. Go inside the bag. You see that? We're gonna take a handful of them. It's best to soak them. And I don't even lift the grate up, man. Throw them on there, man. Let them do what they do. Let's check it out. Got that. So you know what? What we gonna do? We gonna hit it with some more shells. Nothing to just throw them on top of the grate. They'll fall down. Look at that color. Epic, epic. Yeah, boy. All right, we're about an hour and a half into it. Shells are gone. They've all fallen to the bottom. We got a little bit of coals left in this sucker. I did pick the wrong side to put. Yep, we're not there. We're gonna leave it on here. Probably another rip coming out. That thing is money, baby. And it's resting at about 140. That thing is beautiful. You know what? I forgot all about my glaze, man. I set glaze on one end. I'm not doing it on the whole pork loin, just on one end. Do what it does. Spicy and like I said, it was nothing more than a little chimichurri. See the pecan shells, put a little bit of smoke on there, man. We have our little glaze. All I'm gonna do is hit it with a little glaze. Around the plate of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times or whatever.